Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Matt Joyce here. And tonight, I'm going to show you how to make Keto Chaffles. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a video. We're going to start off with 2 eggs and 1/3 cup of cheddar cheese. And we're going to whisk these 2 ingredients together until they're equally combined. And now we're going to use our trusty Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Also, the link in the description below if you want to purchase any. These are a lifesaver. Okay, we're going to distribute the mixture into the Dash Waffle Maker. This recipe should make 3 chaffles. And the smoking will indicate that it's cooking. The chaffle is done. Just 5 minutes and the chaffle is done. Time for the second chaffle. 5 more minutes. Beautiful. Second chaffle is done. And now the third chaffle. I like to spread out the mixture so that everything is even to prevent the mixture from coming out of the sides. This chaffle was left into the waffle maker for 7 minutes, so it's a little more crispy. Thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your night, ladies and gentlemen. Be safe and be well. Matt Joyce signing out.